Hi, welcome to another week of Turner's Journey. I'm a bit late starting recording this week. It's Wednesday already, and I'm not sure where the day or the week has gone so far. Monday I was off doing some domestic bits and pieces, but I did manage to get up in the late afternoon to order the proof copies of the book. I'll come on to that in a second. And my club, Woodturning 360, had a fantastic demonstration in the evening from Eric Loftramm in Washington, not far from Seattle. Really great demonstration. Thoroughly enjoyed that one. Now the book, yes, I have ordered the proof copies of the book, which will be here probably on Monday, so not too much longer to wait, and I'm really excited to see those. Besides that, yesterday Les was in the workshop teaching a group from the Southern Federation of Woodworkers. They came along to have a play on the lathe yesterday, and that was quite good, but I didn't get a chance to do any filming because I was absolutely buried in my computer doing some marketing images and stuff for the book. All very exciting so far, but today being Wednesday, I've got a one-to-one lesson booked in today, so I'm not going to be able to get much done admin-wise, but I'm looking forward to meeting this chap. It sounds very interesting. Well, that turned out to be a really nice day. The student I had today, a chap called Mark, was a student I have had the pleasure of teaching previously, and he hasn't been on the lathe for a little while, so he thought he would come and brush up his technique. So it was really nice to see him again. We had a fantastic lunch and a chat in the coffee shop, and then we went through turning a pen, a spinning top and a bowl, just to refresh his muscle memory, as it were. Now it's 5:15. Les is still bashing away on his lathe because he's got a lot on at the moment, and I'm just about to switch off the lights in here and go home, ready to start again tomorrow. I've got a little bit of admin and stuff to do tomorrow. Jonathan's back as well, and but I need to redesign the Woodturning School leaflet stroke brochures, so that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. It's been a really nice day. (7:20) on Saturday morning, and Natalyia and I are heading off to Essex to visit Sand Woodturners again for the last time in 2025. Really looking forward to seeing these guys. They are so much fun, such an engaging club. Really enjoy going to see them. I really haven't had much time to do a huge amount of filming this week, as you would have seen. So this episode is actually going to stretch over till probably Tuesday or maybe even Wednesday next week, simply because the proof copies of the book are coming. They are very nearly here, and the day this episode goes out is the day the book goes on general sale. So check the description below for a link to where you can buy your copy of the book. It's available on Amazon, and if you'd like a signed copy, that's terribly modest. If you'd like a signed copy, then you can order it from my website at saban-smith.com. Right, I ought to concentrate on driving to Sandon. Catch you in a bit. Another week rolls to an end at Turner's Journey and here at the school and the workshops. It's been a bit of a disjointed week this week, as you would have seen from the video perhaps. But I did have a really nice morning at Sand Woodturners yesterday in Essex, demonstrating for them. And I had 3 chaps in the workshop this morning doing a pen turning class. And I'm going to have the afternoon off all day tomorrow. Yes, I am having a day off, and half of Tuesday, I think, just to chill out a little bit. Now the proof copies of the book will be arriving tomorrow, so I'm not going to see the proof copies arrive in person. I'm going to have to wait until Tuesday to see the proof copies before I can make them available for pre-order. So stay tuned for that. Some point, well, you would have already seen it. But there's going to be a promo video going out when I've got the proof copies, and I've made sure that the print quality is exactly as I want, and all those other glorious things when it comes to proofing books. So you would have already seen a promo video to say that the books are available for pre-order. And as this episode is going out on the 24th of October, the book is now ready to order. So use the link in the description to head over to Amazon to order your copy, or you can order a signed copy from me on my website at saban-smith.com. So that's it. Thank you very much indeed for watching, everybody. I hope you've had a great week, and I will see you again next week for another fantastic episode of Turner's Journey. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye for now.